Hello everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you what does yellow heart means on Snapchat. To get started, let's open this Snapchat application. And once you reach on this home page of Snapchat, you need to tap on the beat emoji which is at the upper left corner. When you reach on this page, you need to tap on gear icon on the upper right corner, and once you are on the settings page, you need to scroll down. Under the privacy control, you can see customize emojis option. Simply tap on it, and on this page there are the custom emojis. Friend emojis are a fun way to learn a little bit more about your friends on Snapchat. So these are the custom emojis that I have not changed it on the Snapchat. So here on the third option, you can see the yellow heart, which is a bestie. So it reads that it appears next to your #1 best friend when you are also their #1 best friend. So when you send a lot of snaps to any one of your friend and become best friend and appear on the top list of each other's Snapchat, then this yellow heart will appear on the Snapchat next to your best friends. So here are other also the emojis given here with the particular meaning. You can just read this all the information and know what the emojis on the Snapchat mean. You can also tap on the yellow heart and also change the yellow heart to other emojis, but for now let's save into the custom emojis. So in this way you can simply get the information of what actually the yellow heart means on the Snapchat. Hope so you found this video useful. Hit the like button. Thank you for watching.